So we're gonna check this one. I'm just checking if they have a feeder on. Looking for queen around this neck cover. And we look for she's a good nectar, frame of nectar, which I feed them last week. So I'm gonna check for feeding. As you can see, this one is draw out and fill it with the nectar. Don't think so they need this is a beautiful pattern of brood. Yes, beautiful. These bees are very calm and they're not like defensive that much. You can see beautiful different stages of brood. This is also laid lots of eggs in different stages of brood. Have to be very careful because you don't want to squash your queen in September, because the risk of losing your colony. As you can see, the queen is here with a white dot on her. She's just right in the corner. She's a beautiful queen. She's an excellent layer. So she's doing pretty good. I just opened to see if they have enough nectar and just check if the queen is okay. So I'm seeing some brood, some drones died. This hive was full of drones, but now I'm not seeing any drones because I think they're all killed by the ladies. These ladies are like, they're a little bit mean. So they have this one nectar. Yep, she's busy. She's busy with this one. I think I'm gonna take a frame of brood from them because I need from my another hive the dust spring needed to brood. Maybe I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna gently shake these bees. tricks you have to make with a small space. I'm gonna take this brood. I'm gonna bring an empty frame for them.